Good morning, it's Green Bay Wacky, and I've got a couple simple overlooked tips for live streaming to hopefully help you have a better live stream. Two simple tips. I do a lot of live streaming. Here's the deal. A lot of people are scared to live stream for their first time and that kind of thing. So here's two tips. I was in sales for 25 years. I promise you these will help you. Number one, practice in front of a mirror. People forget that all the time. They're too prideful, or they say, I don't like to look at myself in a mirror. Trust me, I told this to my salespeople all the time. Practice in a mirror so you can see what you look like, all right? But that's not even the point I want to make, all right? Number two, this is the best tip I can give you. People forget this all the time. You can do private live streams on YouTube, as many of them as you want. Now, if you're a monetized channel, when you do one, don't monetize it with ads, but here's typically how it would go. Every time you go live on YouTube, whether you click the camera from your phone or you go like OBS like this or Zoom or StreamYard, there's always an option whether you want to be public, unlisted, or private. Unlisted being where you could send someone a link, they'd come to it. Private is just literally you. Public would be in front of people. Now, I've heard this said before. Well, I want some real people there to give me feedback. I don't. I want to get it right the first time before I go live. So typically, why would you do this? Let's say you've just downloaded OBS like I have right here. You've programmed some stuff in. You want to see how it looks. All right? You would literally go set up a YouTube live stream. Don't monetize it with ads if you're monetized. Just put like test one. You can do as many of these as you want. Try to keep them 30 seconds to 3 minutes, and they'll upload very quickly. You can watch the playback. You can even have a friend watch it if you want. And then once you see it, delete it and then do another one. I had a friend, a great friend of mine, one afternoon who did 14 live streams to get a setting right on his OBS, 14 of them in about an hour and a half, 14 private live streams. Typically what I would do is this. I would go in, test one, private live stream, so I know that I'm private, no one's watching me. I'll come in like this. Hey, it's Green Bay Wacky. Okay, first I'm going to test the microphone. Testing, 1, 2, 3. This is the Yeti microphone. Is it testing? I've got a sound card, so I might go,
Hey, I hung out with some helium balloons last night.
okay, that was the test of my second microphone. Let me look at my fireworks. Oh, that looks like it's working good. Okay, that's working good. Comics. This is my comic scene. Let's go to the neon. This is my neon scene. I'm testing it. This is my neon scene. I'm moving my microphone. This is how close I am. This is how far away I am. You're just literally doing tests. And then the last thing I might do is, okay, I've got my videos programmed, and let's go through Mr. Funky. Let's go through Totally Screwed, Sunflower Seeds, Cheesehead Song, and I'm coming back now to my ocean scene. And let's see, I'm going to end up at the studio. And testing. Okay, there's my test. Then I'll stop the stream. I'll wait a minute or two. It'll upload to YouTube as a video. And then I'll go watch it and see if I want to change things or if I was satisfied with the quality. And then I'll delete it. And then I'll do another one until I get what I want right. So remember, guys, practice in a mirror. Practice privately. Private. People forget it all the time. They always say, well, I want a live audience. I don't want my audience to see me do 10 different tests. They're going to get bored with that. And you might say, well, Wacky, I've seen you do a test once in a while. Once in a blue moon, because usually if I'm doing a test, I'm pretty satisfied I've already got it right. So 2 tips to help you be a better live streamer. Simple. It's like live streaming 101. Simple. Okay, Green Bay Wacky out. I love trying to help you out. Remember, if you're scared to live stream, private streams. And remember one last tip. You can do a spin. Here's an alteration of it before I go. Private live streams with your friends. Actually do a live stream that's not public with your friends so you can see how it all plays out. That's it. Green Bay Wacky out.